Whaatwaa family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa. Today. Hey, yo, skirt, man, check this out. All right, guys, we got this video today. It's a duet with the recitation. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, remember, this is your first time on the channel. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the Whaatwaa family. Also, before we get started, put a like on this video. Remember, if you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, post the link, and I will get to it, man. Let's go ahead and check this out, man. Should be very interesting. Whaatwaa.
لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن تبدوا ما في أنفسكم أو تخفوه يحاسبكم به الله فيغفر لمن يشاء ويعذب من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. كلا إذا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راق وظن أنه الفراق والتفت الساق بالساق إلى ربك يومئذ المساق فلا صدق ولا صلى ولكن كذب وتولى ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى أولى لك فأولى ثم أولى لك فأولى أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى.
Whaatwaa family, get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Guys, this is what I want to say. Anytime, because right now I know we are going through the most stressful times right now. And I feel that whenever you feel like your back is against the wall, you just feel like there's nothing else to just like you just feel like life is just not going your way, you have to pick up the Quran. And one thing that I can always promise you is that when you listen to a recitation, it is going to clear your mind and it's going to make you focus to where you can see the light, especially when you're down and out, not understanding where your life is going. What do I do next? Because that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, what am I going to do next? What do I do? How do I continue going forward? You listen to the recitation. You listen to the recitation. I want to thank my brother for sending me this video. Thank you so much, bro. Other than that, guys, I want y'all to get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. If you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, post the link, and I will get to it. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the Whaatwaa family. And please, before you leave, put a like on this video. And guys, I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. So please take care. Stay safe. Whaatwaa!